Hello guys, this is Zotov Dance Production YouTube channel. My name is Roman, this is my partner Anna. We're happy to see you today and we're gonna show you the basic movement of the Rumba syllabus. Here we go! Before we start in the top, you can look in for the previous lesson, Dance Psychology subject, or just watching about us. So today we're gonna show you the basic movement of the international Rumba style. The steps is going to be just totally 6 steps for the partner and for the lady, yeah, and this is steps like the same if we dance in single line position. We just show you like single line position. I will show you like front, lady Anna will be show you the back view. So the basic movement, it is just movement to the side, movement forward or for the lady back, replace the weight, movement side, and again opposite movement back for the partner, lady goes forward, and movement replace the weight and movement side. So also for the basic movement we have to commence that figure in closed position. So the closed position looks like that, connection here, the hug around the lady, and the feel like shoulder release down, don't hold up and don't feel any like additional tension, just release your body. So the position for the beginning is the same. We're doing side, forward, replace, side, back, replace. So the action it's just movement side, and who goes forward is always doing the check action for the partner and movement back for the lady, and after that replace the weight. And again movement side for both of us, and now lady dance the check forward, partner back, and replace the weight and movement to the side. Also this figure can be turned left, and total amount during the 6 steps supposed to be quarter. So that's 180 degree, like at least 3 steps. Looks like that. For 1, 2 and 3 for 1, 2, 3 for 1. So in the end of the 6 steps we turn in a quarter, and again 2, 3 for 1, 2, 3 for 1. And we show you again 2, 3 for 1 and 2, 3 for 1. Also the following the figures, it can be like reverse top or natural top or the same basic movement. That's it. Have a good day.